Hi guys! So today we're going to be doing our first summer reading challenge. I couldn't bring a dog in the library, so I had to do it at my dad's house, and we're going to have Barkley, my childhood dog, come, well, wherever he is in the house in a second. But I'm going to go ahead and show you the materials you'll get at the library. You have kits. So in your kits is going to be this plastic bag. It's going to have an instruction sheet. It will have a canvas. It's really flat, so it's going to be really good for this. And it's going to have 2 things of paint of varying colors and stuff like that. And they are taped shut, you know, for security and stuff like that. And you will either have a little thing of peanut butter, or if you got one without peanut butter, you can just use peanut butter at home. And you'll need a butter knife. So the first thing I'm going to do is take the peanut butter and I'm going to spread it on the outside of the plastic bag, just in a general area. And as soon as I spread the peanut butter, the dog will come and grab it. And that is Barkley. He is an 11-year-old Belgian Mal. Bark. And that is my childhood dog, and he has now realized that I'm scooping peanut butter onto a bag. Hi, bud. So I'm just kind of spreading this out in as thin a layer as possible. And the idea is that he's going to spread the paint around on the bag. It's really not that difficult. It's kind of like spackling, if any of you have done any of that. Alright, so kind of an even layer about the size of the paint here, for our canvas. And Barkley is very excited because he's realized I have peanut butter, and he is here for it. So I'm going to pop these off real quick, our lids, and I'm going to pour them onto onto our canvas in not really any rhyme or reason. It's acrylic paint. Please don't let your dogs eat the paint. Barkley's very intrigued until he smelled the paint. But that's okay, we're going to seal it in the bag and he's going to like the peanut butter. Alright, it's about as much paint as I'm going to get out of that one. And then, hi bud. And I'm going to take the green one and I'm going to do basically the same thing. And I'm just going to, you know, it really doesn't need to be anywhere specific. It just needs to be on the canvas. Because he's going to get a picture. Alright. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to move my bag and open it. And I'm just going to slide this in there. And try not to let the bag touch it. Okay. So now I'm going to make sure it is sealed all the way. We don't want paint pouring out of this. Alright, ready? Okay, here comes the magic. And he is going to lick, and as he licks this, he is moving the paint around and he is painting a picture for us. So when he is done licking, I'll show you guys the completed project and how to get it out. It'll take him a minute to do so. And he's having a great time with the peanut butter here. So we'll be back in just a second.
One. Just a little bit of B-roll.
Mm-hmm. Hey, so Barkley has sufficiently spread the paint around, and I got him to quit because he was getting a little aggressive with the peanut butter. So now I'm going to show you guys how to take this out, and you'll see the really cool painting that you end up with. And so I'm just going to pull it up, and I'm going to try really hard, and I'm actually going to flip it over so I can unstick the paint. And awesome. It's got dog saliva all over it, but you dog lovers know. And there is your dog painting. So you as a dog owner will know that your dog spread his tongue around on the peanut butter, and you now have a painting that your dog made. So that is how you do this craft. I think it's super cute. And Barkley is looking for some more peanut butter right this second. So we thank Barkley for being such a good dog and helping us out today. And I hope you guys really love this program. I love it. I think it's probably my favorite, and we have plenty more coming for all adults, teens, and children this summer, and we're so excited to show you guys all of our programs we have. Thank you so much for watching, and if you did this with your dog, leave us a comment. If you did it with a baby without the peanut butter, leave us a comment on the bottom as well, and we'll count you for an entry into our Adult Summer Reading Prize program. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!